So let us now proceed and check out what are operators in Java. Now the operators are directly related to the variables and data types in Java. So these operators brings the variable and data types into action. As for example, the operators helps us to compare the two values stored inside the variables. And another simple example, we can take the mathematical operation, that is, how can we add, multiply and divide two values stored inside the variable. So all these basic operations we can do with the help of operators in Java. Now there are various types of operators in Java. As for example, we have arithmetic, relational, assignment, increment and decrement operators, logical, and at last we have the ternary operator. Now these operators as mentioned in front of you are very important and basic operators. We are going to discuss all these operators one by one from the next video onwards. And all these operators mentioned are widely used while creating any Java application.